Hey everyone, welcome back. So in previous video we learned how to create a built-in ckeditor. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload a image through the ckeditor in cakephp. So keep watching full video guys and subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So without any delay, let's get started. Let's go. So in previous video we changed our font color, background color, and we set here a image through the image URL. But in this video we are going to upload an image through the image event. Okay, so first of all we have to open our text editor. I am using it as Sublime, but you can use any editor what you like most. Now we have to open our layout directory, and in the layout directory there is a default.php file. Open it, scroll down, and here is a JavaScript code. This is the implementation of the ckeditor. Okay, this classic editor.create method create this ckeditor here. Okay, so here is a create method. Create a method take two parameters. The first one is required and the second one is just for optional. The second parameter is used for load extra plugins, extra configurations, and extra features items. So that's why when we need extra plugins, then we set a second parameter. Okay, so now we need upload image through the image event. So that's why we need define here a second parameter. So just define our object, and here we have to define simple upload. This is the adapter. So what is the adapter? Let me show you in the ckeditor 5 simple upload adapter. Here you can read more about the what exactly the adapter. Okay, so here is all the basic information about the adapter. Okay, so guys, the adapter means is that this is responsible for communication to the server. Okay, so when I click on here and upload the image, then this simple upload adapter is communicate to the server. Basically I meant to say that it's connecting to the controller and send to the file to the controller method, and then server returns some response back us, and that response will be shown in here. In the response there is an image, so we show here an image. Okay, so this is the adapter. The adapter means this is the bridge between our application to server. Okay, so this is the adapter, and simple upload adapter is working on the XML HTTP request. So basically it is a AJAX request. Okay, so here we have to define one more object, method. The method is upload URL, and here I just type here image upload and image upload. Now we have to open a controller. Open the controller here. The controller name is block because we are using here a block. So I think you know how the request cycle work in the cakephp. So this is our controller name, this is the method name. Okay, so there is a add method, so that's why we can show here this add page. Okay, so in the same way we have to define here a image upload, so we have to define this method into the block.php file. Okay, so quickly I create here a methods. So public function image upload. Okay, image upload. So in the new tab, if I type here a cake blocks image upload, yeah, it's working. Here is a missing template because I'm not defining any template for this method. So if I define type here render false, it's worked perfectly. Yeah. Okay, so now what we want send a request from here to this method. So we have to define here a file. So If I choose any image from here, inspect element, go to the console, and we can see there is what is this? File repository no upload adapter. It's okay, it's not a big issue. Just close our browser, open once again, cake here. Choose an image. Yeah, it's working. So now we can see there is a pop-up, could not upload this image name, and here you can see there is a 403 forbidden error. And you know, the 403 errors means there is a CSRF token which we require for this action. Okay, so quickly in our JavaScript implementation code, so let me define here a headers, and in the headers there is a cakephp use a x CSRF token for the CSRF token, and define here JSON and code, and in here we have to define CRF token, get attribute, CSRF token, refresh page, and try again. Token is not working. Why? No, it's null. Why? Oh, it's not. Yeah, we get here a CRF token. Now reload the page, choose image, inspect element quickly, and yes, we get here 00 error here. Now the 403 error is gone. But guys, keep in mind that this is not a recommended way to use a CSRF token used like this way. Okay, tutorial, so I am using this because this is not used for in the production mode. Okay, so don't use this logic in your production mode. The better way is use here meta tag, and from that meta tag you can fetch this token from meta tag to here and use here. Okay, I'm using here because this is just a demonstration video, so that's why I'm using this like this way. But according to me, this is not a good practice for a productions application. Okay, so don't be use directly this token here. Okay. Now we have to code some for here our controller methods. So what we want to upload image, so just quickly define here upload. This is the variable, and here we have to define request get upload files. Okay, so now we can upload image here two ways. The first way is just like a simple define here upload object, and here we have to define file name. This is the field name, so I'm not going to use like this way. I want to use through the loop, so I am going to use a for each loop here. Upload as file, and now here in the file we will get file name here. So first of all file move to our image directory, which is existed in the webroot directory, and after that file get client file name, and now we need a file this is a file here, and type here URL. In the URL we need here yeah, we have already here a router, so I define here a full path here, absolute path. So let me define here this way, and now we want image file get client file name. So now this is the absolute path here of the file which we upload into the our web root directory. So in the same way we have to define here a status, but ckeditor does not support, I think, status, so we have to define here uploaded, which is same as status. So define here a file. After that set here this set method, use a compact file. Okay, so I'm not using here a templates, but I am using here a cakephp serialized method. So type here $this view builder set option, and set here a serialize, because we want to JSON object, so that's why I'm using a serialize, and file. I think it's working fine. Okay, we'll let it test here. Blog image upload. Does not exist. Oh yeah, it's a wrong. There is a get uploaded files, I think. Yeah, it's working. Okay. If I type here dollar, oh sorry, not dollar, dot JSON, yeah, it's working. So it's like a APIs. So I'm not exactly talking here about APIs, because this is a different topic in the cakephp. So just ignore it now, what exactly happening here, because this is video about the how to upload an image. Okay. So it's working. So what the error is here, options take a 2 parameters. View builder set options, or not options, it's an option. Man, yeah, it's working now, but exactly undefined variable. Okay, so now if I click on here and choose image, so it's not working. What happened now? Okay, so okay, I think I have to change here. Actually, there is I have to define $JSON extension, because it expect the JSON response back. Okay, so that's why I have to define here a $JSON. So I think it's will be work now. Okay, choose image again. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, you can see there is a green button highlighter. This is means our image is upload here. And now if I scroll inspect element again, yeah, there is no any errors. So that's mean our code is working fine. And here we can set image alignment like left, right, center. So I just want to set it the left side. So I just click on here and click on this arrow and type here anything what you want. Okay, so now just submit. Yeah, it's successfully saved. View, yeah. Our image is successfully uploaded here. The same way, if I use again here, click on here and choose a new picture. Oh, this is my favorite web series, Walking Dead. And if I type here Walking Dead season 11, make it bold, heading 1, center, not left, center, change color, set background color. No, background color, I think it is good, white. Yeah. Okay, so if I click type here anything, let me copy any demo content from the Google. Demo content. Bro, what I'm doing, man? Copy and paste here. Yeah. So we successfully upload an image here, and we can also check on here in our web root directory. My project is that web root directory image. Yes, so we can, you can see there we have this Daryl picture, and Mario here is successfully uploaded in our image directory. Okay, so guys, in that way we can upload an image in ckeditor in cakephp. You can read more about here what exactly the simple upload adapter is and how does it work. Okay, so this is the exact way I am telling you. The third parameter also load the extra plugins. We can set here a toolbars, and here is a simple upload object which is for responsible for upload the our images. Okay, so okay, you can read. So we can also set here our credentials or auth barrier tokens, but we are not any authentication, so that's why I'm not using this, but I'm using a CRF token here. Okay, so guys, in that way we use upload an image in ckeditor and cakephp. Okay, so if you any problem, please write down in the comment section. Okay guys, thank you very much.